Here we are, big blizzard coming, head into the grocery store, the dreaded grocery store, to get groceries. So here we go here. Don't forget your salt also. Nothing worse than the grocery store, except at least it's not the weekend and it's not too busy, but oh, that was fun, huh? Yeah, interesting. What a nightmare, these grocery stores. Unbelievable. Dealing with all this on this snowy day. I could just throw a big fit right here in this park. The snow's hitting me and Jesus crap. Well, that's all I got for you today. That's grocery shopping, and I think I'm gonna go home and eat all of these groceries all by myself and not share them with anyone, especially anyone named Gabe and Noah, who love those Chobanis and those delicious macaroni and cheeses and those delicious cinnamon toast crunches. So we'll see you next time, and try to survive the blizzard. It's a big huge warning out. People shouldn't even drive. You should stay home. 12 inches of snow is coming, so just bunker down. 3, 2, 1. Salute!